I got your information.
Ready's in the chat. Here we go.
The apartment in Marble Street is a Dr. Adrian Baker.
So this is Madison.
Surgeon. They used to sell drugs to junkies.
We're about to go to the doctor's house.
He made some cash and bought up some cheap-ass apartments.
And try this ourselves.
The one in Marble Street. Of course, he got caught. He did a few months in prison and was struck off the medical register.
Interesting.
Okay.
Thanks for the information.
So here we go.
I owe you one.
Hey, Matt. Be careful.
Be careful. Oh God. Okay.
Talk to you later.
I've been asked. I've been told I need to be careful here. I've been told I need to be careful here. So we're going to the doctor's
The owner
house.
of the apartment where Ethan cut off his finger lives here. It's not much of a lead, but it's all I've got.
All right. So there's multiple things that can happen, multiple ways this scene can go. So we've got to be careful, okay? There he is.
Hi. I was told that you could get Bitropin. Without a prescription.
Oh, he's a dodgy one.
Sorry, you were
Hello,
misinformed.
Jet.
Goodbye.
No, 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 no! Fuck! Come on, man. Okay. Ah!
Nosy little ferret.
What the?
We're gonna have some fun together, my darling. I promise.
I thought you could only get me if I drank the drink! Oh, no.
Ah. Say hello to Matthew. He claimed he had come to the census. Another one of those goddamn government spies.
Scream!
So, you're interested in my Marble Street apartment?
Oh, this is awful, man!
I rented to my friend Paco, you must know. I have no idea what he does there. Maybe that's where he fornicates with his dancers from the Blue Lagoon. To be honest, I don't give a damn. Just as long as he pays his rent, he can do whatever he likes.
Let me out, man! Happy birthday, Lauren!
Enough with the chit-chat. I miss surgery, you see, so I take every opportunity to practice. I don't have any
My only
instruments
option
here,
is to scream.
so I use whatever comes to hand. I hope you won't hold that against me.
Come on!
Hold on. This might sting him.
Ah! Stop!
Have you ever noticed? As soon as you start to do a little housework, someone always comes calling. I'll get rid of our visitor and be right back. Don't move. I won't be long.
You tried to penetrate me with a drill! I ain't getting drilled tonight, bitch! Okay, we need to get out. Alright, we have a set amount of time. Should I scream? Or is there another, what else should I do? Okay, my arm. Let me check out my arm. Come on. Come on, help me out, Vibe Tribe. Arm's no use. My leg?
I've come to bring you the
I'm gonna
word of
scream.
the Lord in the form of these magnificent Bibles, which I will gladly leave with
I'm
you
gonna scream.
in return for a contribution of only $5.
Fucking listen to me!
No thanks, I love it.
Come now, brother. I cannot believe the word of the Lord is of no
I'm
interest.
screaming!
We, his humble flock, should walk in his
Can he not
steps,
hear
for
me?
St. John has
I'm
said.
Thanks a
screaming!
lot, but I don't need anything.
Who does not need a Bible in these times of violence?
Listen to me, it's
Holy
screaming!
Scripture will bring you peace and tranquility anytime you need it.
Oh, nice!
All for a mere $5.
I got my leg out!
Read
Nice!
No Bible for me. Buzz off.
Fuck! He's coming!
Hurry! I've got...
Come on! No, oh, shit! Shit! Come on, bitch! no. Get off me! Little what? How did I not hit? Oh no. Oh no. What's up, bitch? What's up? Get off me, man! Get off me! No! No, no, no! Don't fucking mount me, you weirdo! Oh, I missed the swing. Am I dead? Oh, he's gone fucking creep mode, man. Oh my god! Let's go! GG's! We're alive. We lived it, man. If you guys want to know what's happened, we did a whole stream. My last video, it's a 5-hour stream up to this point, so make sure